for as low as 3,500 monthly down payment for 12 months. Sa ating first batch ng equity ay mapapasayo na ito ang ating modern minimalist house na may free fence and gate pa. Free selling property pero mabilis pa rin ang turnover dahil ang estimated turnover natin ay 3 to 6 months after loan takeout kahit hindi pa natin ma-fully paid ang ating equity. Once loan takeout na tayo, sasabay ang ating monthly amortization at maaabutan nito na equity, kaya naman rent to own na ang dating nito. Ang second batch natin ng equity ay 4,861 for 24 months. Accessible to Manila via Cavitex, located ito sa Naik, Cavite. Minimum lot size ay 42 square meters, kaya naman meron pa rin tong provision for one carport. At floor area na 42.34 square meters, kaya naman may enough space tayo para sa ating living, dining, kitchen area at provision for 2 bedroom. Kaya naman kung interested ka sa property na to, available rin ang end at corner units, send me direct message agad-agad para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!